Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to cancel subscriptions on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you have subscribed anything in your Apple ID, it might be your Apple TV or anything else, and now you want to cancel your subscription. So let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your settings, and here first of all you have to make sure that you have any internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. So after that you will not get any issue, or you have to check for your software updates, or if you have any software update you have to try to update your software. And then you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, so go for VPN and device management. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, or if you have tried to disconnect with your VPN, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you will get the subscription option. You have to simply tap on it. Once you tap, you will get this type page. Here, if you have any subscription, so you can easily cancel that from here. You can see I haven't any subscription here, or if you have any subscription here, you can simply cancel them out from here. So in this way you can easily cancel any subscription on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.